Yeah, and he's still in there. And then I think right around now he's kind of starting to come out.
Guys, that thing burned.
Okay, I haven't used any of this stuff, but well, from a tuner standpoint.
I think it might be. Okay, this is, yeah, it's spun. No? Yeah, it's spun before. I had it lined up and I didn't realize it was spun.
All right, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 2 of the UCC, the Ultimate Callout Challenge. We're hanging out today. The rain finally stopped. It's 3 o'clock. We've been here all day. They found the parts. They are installing them now. There's still some issues and some controversy with some torque converter deals. They are working on that. We'll update you guys in a minute. But today we have the booth set up. We are ready to roll. We have the merch out. We have Make Powerstrokes Great Again happening. And let me tell you that it is going over very, very well. Everyone seems to think that that is a funny thing, and it is. But there is truth behind it. So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do right now? First off, I never gave you guys like a full-on quick walkthrough of the actual UCC. So here it is. Let's go.
He's good, dude. He'll do it. I want to break it down.
I'm gonna go apply for your new job, welder up. Dude, this guy is on free mode right now. Look at him, he's a madman. We are on a walkabout through the UCC right now. And this dude is on free mode and he's just going, wow, get anything he can get. Merchant Auto had this thing where you hit a button and it spins and you can win something, and he won a banner. He won their whole banner. It's a huge banner. And then met a lot of other cool guys, but here we go. He's on free mode and we're gonna keep it going. What else do you want to get?
Everything.
Everything.
Everything and anything.
Well, let's hit it. All right, guys. We have made it down to the actual drag strip here. We have Harley Performance Ryan Milliken's Power Nova. Very, very nice build. That.
Yeah, and he's still in there. And then I think right around now he's kind of starting to come out.
Guys, that thing burned.
That's a go. And it's still going.
there's still smoke. There's still smoke coming out of it in there. Yeah, you can see it. Thing's still smoldering.
Turning, right? He's just slowing down.
That's unreal. Aftermath of a fire on the dyno. Never fun, never a good day when that happens, but everyone's all right. Getting her cleaned up. Slight delay, we're gonna get home at 6 in the morning. JB ain't too happy about that, and hey, neither am I.
Something else is somebody's like right there.
Wait, where's he going? Oh yeah! Woo! All right, so what's your strategy here?
6.1. Hope the converter holds.
There you go. That's a good strategy to have. If that holds, you know, strategy accomplished. All right, here you guys go. Great deal. Talk to Sean or Dan if serious. That's great.
See what the pressure is because of that little.
Hey, I'm serious about the for sale sign. What's the details?
It is for sale, turnkey or as a roller. You get the whole setup, sled pull setup, axle, weight box, everything. We don't have that stuff here with us. We actually, believe it or not, forgot it. Opened up the trailer and said, oh shit. But asking 60 for it. Obviously 6.7, it's on a single turbo, nitrous, 4R100 with a standalone controller, paddle shifters. It could be yours, you could be different.
There you go, he's the man you need to see right there. All right, so the guy up before, Dan, is having slight difficulties getting on the dyno. He is currently bottomed out. So we're waiting to see what is gonna happen here. Okay, so update on the situation. They got some boards under the wheels and they're going to try to push it the rest of the way on. Oh, it's getting sketchy. People are yelling, send it. Oh, they're driving it. Those boards are shooting right now. They got her. Alright guys, this is us. The time is now. Oh, get that bike up there. For sale sign and all.
Yeah, we're actually not turning on all nitrous. It's just gonna be on one kit. That way, if it does slip through the converter, it doesn't spike RPM at 1600. And yeah. All right, good luck, man. Thank you.
Okay, so Sean just told the announcer right there that it's for sale, and he is currently announcing it it is for sale. But everyone kind of bailed. Everyone's got to go.
Yeah.
It's like 11:30.
Yeah, there's
it's
only
freezing.
a few people here.
All right, so this is it. So here she is after one pull. Smoked the converter. Way too hot. Can't do another.
He's good.
It's all good.
That's a wrap.
Do it again.
That's a wrap.
All right, guys, we're on the way back. 1320's closed up. Everyone's shut down. The old Platinum just sitting looking nice in the dark around all these nice, sick trucks. And then here's just the stock Platinum. Oh, yeah. But we are hooked to the trailer. We got the booth tore down. We are going to drive down to the pit and see what's going on with Dan himself. Maybe if the door's unlocked.
Did the converter slip on the dyno in your opinion?
Yeah, it did. It's what happened. That's
lock?
why I didn't make another pull.
Okay.
It locked.
It locked and then slipped.
Yeah, so it started the pull in fine.
Yeah.
And as soon as it started making power, you could see it. I could feel it in the cab shutter. Yeah. So yeah, that's kind of what happened. I didn't spray it. I was gonna make one pull without spray and see if it held. And then if it held, I was gonna go right into another pool and just go. I wanted to make a pool and see what it was gonna do, you know what I mean? So that was the strategy in my head anyway. It made sense. So we got on there quick, so I figured, well, fuck it, I'll just, make a pull on fuel and see if it holds. Didn't hold.
So what's the plan? When we go back.
I don't know. What's the plan? You tell me.
Curse that torque converter?
That's your baby, Amy.
Uh-oh.
You're just a driver, man. Huh?
I just drive it. I drive it.
I don't know how to work here.
These awesome gentlemen work on it. These guys here. From him, but yeah, no. I'm just a driver.
And don't forget, it is for sale. We will get the converter fixed, and it is for sale.
So, honestly though, the game plan is, I think we need to get it to the track, get the converter fixed, make a solid pass.
And then put it for sale. For real.
Well, no, get it consistent, so if somebody does actually want to buy it, we can want to get rid of it, that's good.
For sale or trade for a nice toter cone.
Oh, I like that.
Will come with 1 year of technical support free.
From who?
From him.
After that, there will be a service plan.
Because it'll
If
go
you
to
wanna
his shop
take
to
it.
get worked on.
Yep.
That's SK
Yes.
Diesel, by the way.
Just for
Oh, name drop.
This is the real Dan Snyder. Today we got mixed up a few times. No, I am not banging his wife. He is. This is the real Dan Snyder.
You can't help me out a little bit there? No. No. You don't want to deal with it.
She doesn't want the kosher hog. I am Jewish.
Oh, man.
He's going to edit that and all you're going to get is, I am Jewish.
They need to cut in with some Hebrew.
Hey,
That's all he's going to get.
Mazel tov on this weekend. The motor is still running.
The motor never breaks.
Do you know what Mazel Tov
Hey,
means?
at least we know that much.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Whoa.
Didn't I teach you that yesterday?
You did?
I did. Hebrew school on Saturday.
All I'm saying is, out of 3 years,
tranny installers.
the motor is not failed.
We had the tranny.
Motor's great. Torque converter situation's cursed.
Transmission's even great.
Tranny's even great. We
Tranny's even great.
pulled it down, checked the clutches, everything's fine.
Tranny's even great.
It's just, we got to get the converter figured out. So,
So we starting to make converters now?
no. I think we got enough people that'll work with us. I think Suncoast will work with us to get it figured out. So.
Well, hey,
We would not have been able to do anything without, especially these two.
there they are. There it is.
Amy, my dad for running the booth, Corey behind the camera.
Hey,
Heyo.
Jill for the photos.
Jill for the photos.
I'm just
Matt.
say hi.
Hi. Yeah, Matt.
Jill for making it a memory on paper and computer.
you cannot forget Nathan. Nathan, this is
There he is in the back.
Affection parts.
He's in the back.
this is the real Nathan, also known as the voice of Carbon.
Stop.
Come on!
Oh,
Screw you guys, I'm going home.
And that's a wrap.
that's a wrap.
All right, guys, it is finally come to an end. Thank you so much for joining us on these videos at the UCC, the Ultimate Caller Challenge. Huge shout out to the guys at SPE. They absolutely killed it this weekend, and thank you guys so much for inviting me with you guys. Shout out to JB. Go give him a follow on Instagram. I'll put it below. It was a heck of a weekend, and we are not doing the truck pulling tomorrow. Torque converter smoke, done with it. And everyone's heading home. So we are on the road. It is 11:41 at night. We are just going straight home today. We're gonna be home at 5:30 in the morning. And in fact, it is my daughter's first birthday tomorrow, so it's gonna be a heck of a day. So wow, check that out. Awesome. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button, join the Modern Diesel family. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!
Horns are over there bumping. We're about to go party.
Time to party.
Last night we were doing the Macarena.
There was no we. I think it was all you.
I am Jewish.
Oh, God.